Create a masterpiece from a waste is really amazing. Today in this video I am going to teach you gorgeous fabric flower with beautiful fabric ball. Hi, my name is Nadia. I am stitching instructor. I am making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. I already made a video about this kind of flower, but in this video you will see new variation and variety of this flower. I hope you will like it. Let's get started the video. For this I need some supplies, a scissors, 3 size of round objects, a thread and a needle, a pen for tracing, glue and different colors of fabric. You can take the same color fabric also. This video is based on 3 parts. In first part I pick up this size of round object and place this round object on the top of the fabric and trace around it. Make 6 fabric circles with the help of this round object. After tracing all circles, cut them with the help of scissors one by one. Now 6 fabric circles are ready. Take a thread and a needle. Take one fabric circle and fold it in a half, then fold it half again. It should now look like a quarter of a circle. Sew it, then repeat the same process 6 times. Once you have created all fabric petals, join them together in the same thread. Now first part of this flower is ready. Tie a knot to secure the end properly. For second part of this flower, repeat the same process, but this time the fabric should be different and the round object size should be different also. Repeat all steps one by one. Make the fabric circle with the help of round object. Then cut all fabric circles from the piece of cloth. Now it's time to make up petals. Fold in a half, then fold again and then sew it. Repeat the same process 6 times in the same thread. At the end, tie a knot to secure the end and paste it on the first fabric flower with the help of a glue. For third part of this flower, I use this size of round object. Through this round object, I will make a fabric ball. Let's get started the third part of this video. Place a round object on the top of the fabric, just like the first part of this video. But in first part I made 6 fabric circles, but right now I will make 3 fabric circles for fabric ball. Instead of beads, buttons or pearls, I will use this fabric ball on the center of my flower. Cut all fabric circles one by one. Now 3 fabric circles are ready for a fabric ball. Take a thread and needle. Take one fabric circle and fold it in a half and hold it in horizontal way. Then take second fabric circle, fold it and put it in front of the first fabric circle and sew it like this way. Now take the third fabric circle, fold it in a half and put it back side of the first fabric circle in vertical way and sew it also. Now rotate it slightly in order to make it little round. Sew it also. It is look like this. Now pull the thread slowly and push it from the back side of this ball in order to make it more round. Push it slowly towards the inside with the help of your thumb. Tie a knot to secure the end. Our beautiful fabric ball is ready. You can paste it on the center of your flower. I already made this kind of flower from the different piece of clothes. You can paste these kind of flowers on the waistline of your frock or your hairband, or you can decorate your home with the help of these beautiful flowers. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. Take care, bye bye.